Mama, dumadating. Ay.
Isa ni ano? Si Adrian?
Ha?
Nilagigisa ni Adrian?
Si Heaven.
Whoa, an unbelievable adventure. We know you will enjoy for sure. So what are you waiting for? Listen to group 4, let's do it now.
Yeah.
Na.
Push na.
Push na. Wala, 21 seconds, 24, akin 30 na. 30, 39, 40.
Voice over.
Tayo to.
Pino, why are you not helping us? You see, we're working hard. And you, instead of studying, you're sleeping under the sun every time. Spaceship?
Hindi matay. Hoy! Lawrence! Lawrence, ang pangit mo. Lawrence, ang pangit mo, Lawrence. Huwag ka dyan. Hoy, Lawrence, huwag ka maingay. Ang ingay mo.
We're peaceful and we're not harmed. I'm sorry this happened. This is the first time such an accident happened. But who are you? We are extraterrestrials.
Extraterrestrials.
We come from a dry, barren, and dying planet, millions of kilometers away. But I want to go home. My father and mother will miss me. But don't you miss them? Oh, I do. Pito, why won't you try this? It's an anti-gravity belt. Press the red button. Hey, let me down. Press the button. But I want to go home to my own planet. Love your home, still wish to go there. I don't blame you. You have a beautiful planet. But my people take care of our beautiful possessions. We got the peace with our planet, and now our planet is dead. I'll take you back to Earth, Pino.
Ay, nako.
I won't let you down.
Agay na kiss.
Ay,
Ala!
ano ba yan?
Dapat kiss.
Haggard?
Wawa, eya, wawa, eya.
Babae niya.
Mother, where are you, son? I've been looking for you 4 days ago.
Ala, hindi ko saan sila chin-chin.
Sayang eh, dapat
And that's
kiss.
the end of our story.
Bad trip naman this.